You are looking for the top 5 best gas lawn mowers in 2025. In this video, we will break down the top 5 best gas lawn mowers on the market this year based on power, performance, and durability. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we hope it helps you find the right product for you. Before we get into the video, be sure to hit that like button for more videos like this one. Now let's get started. Number 5. Snapper 70338. The Snapper 70338 is a self-propelled mower that comes with a durable deck and powerful engine. It has a 42-inch cutting width and can cut through tall grass with ease. The engine is a 21 horsepower Kawasaki, which provides plenty of power for most mowing jobs. This mower also has a deck height adjustment system, making it easy to change the cutting height. The rear wheels are larger than the front wheels, providing added stability and control. Overall, the Snapper 70338 is a reliable and powerful gas mower that is well suited for medium to large size lawns. It is not cheap, but it is built to last and should be able to handle the demands of most users. Whether you are a homeowner or a commercial user, this mower is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Husqvarna Zeta 00 Series 0-turn mower. If you want something with a little more power, then check out the Husqvarna Zeta 00 Series 0-turn mower. It features a 22 horsepower Kohler 7000 engine, which will allow you to cut through even the toughest of grasses with ease. Plus, its 3/16-inch 7-gauge steel deck means that it's built to last. The Husqvarna Zeta 100 series also boasts a comfortable high back seat and easy-to-use deck height adjustment lever, so you can get the job done quickly and easily. And with a fuel tank capacity of 5.5 gallons, you can mow for hours without having to take a break to refuel. So if you're looking for a powerful and durable gas mower that'll make light work of your lawn, look no further than the Husqvarna Zeta 00 Series 0-turn mower. Number 3. Honda Mimo HRN 486 vertically. The Honda Mimo HRN 486 vertically is a great choice for those looking for a powerful and efficient gas lawn mower. With its GCV 170 engine, this mower has plenty of power to tackle any job, while its 48-inch cutting deck ensures a clean and efficient cut. One of the standout features of the Mimo HRN 486 VK is its Versamo system, which allows you to easily switch between mulching and rear bagging. This gives you the flexibility to choose the best mowing method for your needs. Additionally, the mower's easy push-button start and convenient cup holder add to the overall user-friendly experience. The HRN 486 VK also comes with Honda's famous GCV engines, known for their reliability and durability, and with a 3-year warranty, you can feel confident in your purchase. No. 2. Ego Nexus Pro. The Ego Nexus Pro is a powerful and versatile gas-powered lawn mower that is designed to tackle any job, big or small. It features a 22 horsepower engine that delivers impressive performance and a durable build that can withstand the toughest conditions, with a 7-gauge steel deck and reinforced edges. This mower is built to last. The Nexus Pro also offers excellent handling and maneuverability thanks to its front swivel wheel and rear deck wheels. It also has an easy-to-use deck height adjustment system with 7 positions to choose from. Plus, its ergonomic design and adjustable handle height make it comfortable to use over extended periods. When it comes to cutting, the Nexus Pro has a 48-inch cut and is equipped with a rear bag and side discharge chute, giving you the flexibility to choose the best option for your needs. Overall, the Ego Nexus Pro is a top-of-the-line gas-powered lawn mower that combines power, durability, and versatility. Number 1. Troy-Bilt Bronco 42-inch push mower. The Troy-Bilt Bronco 42-inch push mower is a great option for those looking for a powerful and reliable lawn mower at an affordable price point. This mower features a 21 horsepower engine that delivers plenty of power to tackle tall or thick grass with ease. It also has a 42-inch cutting deck made of durable steel that ensures a clean and efficient cut every time. One of the standout features of the Bronco is its easy push-button start. No more struggling with a pull cord. Just push the button and the mower will start right up. It also has a deck height adjustment system with 7 different settings to choose from, giving you the ability to customize your cut. Plus, the mower has a convenient cup holder so you can stay hydrated while you work. The Troy-Bilt Bronco is also relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for smaller yards or tight spaces. Overall, the Troy-Bilt Bronco 42-inch push mower is a solid choice for anyone in the market for a new mower. With its powerful engine, durable construction, and convenient features, it's sure to be a valuable addition to your lawn care arsenal. If you are looking for a product that we did not mention, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like our video. We always appreciate your support. Have a great day.